Hi guys, what's up and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be showing you the 4 levels of solving Rubik's Cubes, from the easiest one, which is a pyramid, to the hardest one, which will be a mirror cube.
Yay!
In this video, I will be demonstrating these 2 cubes on how to solve them, and my brother will be demonstrating those 2 cubes. Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Actually, level 1, the pyramids.
Ready guys? Let's go to level number 2, the 2x2.
Level number 3, the 3x3. Oh wait, this number is 4, sorry.
So people, we have been through a long path, starting with the pyramids, then the 2x2, then the 3x3, but now we're finally gonna do, we're gonna do this monstrosity. Level number 4, the mirror cube. Hi guys, I just wanted to say, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. It's really helpful for us, right Santi?
Yes, it is.
It's very helpful. And so maybe if you already made it to the end, consider giving a like and maybe even subscribe. So once again, thank you so much. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye.